Hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a very short little video today, and it's a sound demo video, and it's to accompany one of the listings that we have on our Etsy shop, or at least we will have by the time I put this video up, hopefully. It's for this beautiful drum just here. Now this is an 18-inch buffalo skin shamanic drum. It's on an ashwood frame. If I turn it over here, you can see hopefully that it's laced with artificial sinew, which is great for resisting the effects of moisture. I won't go into all of that. I've got a separate video about tuning and caring for your shamanic drum. Pop along. I might put a link somewhere up here for you to go and have a little look at that. It's got a hazelwood handle, branch handle here, and on this beautiful little bulbous area in the middle of the handle here, I've engraved in there basically a pagan priestess image. That's how I interpret the image anyway. It was an image I found on Pinterest, and yeah, I was looking for some beautiful divine feminine type images, and this one came along, really liked it, so I used that one. I've repeated that design on the inside of the frame there as well. I burnt her in there as well, along with my maker's mark, and also along with the date of birth. And it's the 21st of May 2022 in Knighton, Paris, UK. So that's to enable you to formulate a birth chart, or at the very least know when the drum's birthday was, so that you can look at it, the sun sign and the astrological horoscope type thing, so that you can find out what energies are affecting your drum on any given time. Can't get my words out. So okay, so that's the little bit of information about the drum. There'll be more on the Etsy listing for you to have a look at, and I'll hopefully pop a link below the video for that. I will now grab two beaters, or one at a time, a firmer beater and a soft beater, to play the drum, to demonstrate to you the sound. Either of these would be available to purchase as an option at checkout if you decide this is the right drum for you. So let's start with this drum, this beater. It's a softer beater. Let's have a listen to this one. Gorgeous. I always say that anyway, but it always is. Here we go, the firmer beater. Okay, well, I hope this video has helped you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your shamanic drum. Very difficult buying online. Being able to hear is really important, so that's why we make these little videos, and hopefully that helps. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.